Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rajesh Bhatt. I am one of the co-founders and the CEO of Roostify, and joining me today is Travis Niffen, our Senior Manager of Pre-Sales at Roostify. We are excited to be back at Finovate. We were here 4 years ago launching our product, and at that time we demonstrated to this audience a solution that allowed a consumer and a bank to streamline and accelerate the home lending experience, allowing the consumer to bring in information from other online sources to drive to an outcome more quickly in the home lending application experience, and then to move into a collaboration experience with our bank customers to be able to manage the enclosing process in one space. Since then, we've added dozens of customers to our platform, from community banks and credit unions to the largest banks in the world, and each of them now have the ability to take a consumer from the lead stage of a home lending journey all the way through the closing phase. And while this is really exciting, this is not what we're here to talk about today. Today, we're going to talk about how this digitization of the home lending transaction process is allowing our customers to move further upstream and reimagine how they are acquiring consumers online. And we're going to do this by walking through how one of our favorite fake bank customers acquires customers. And it's Main Street Bank. They are your classic community bank offering deposit and lending products to customers in a given footprint. And as you can see in their online page, they have the obligatory Apply Now button that allows a consumer to submit an application for a loan product online. They have a loan officers tab that allows a consumer to engage with an individual loan officer, and using our loan officer pages that we host, they are able to scenario build with that loan officer and collaborate with the loan officer and their real estate professionals, and then move into the actual mortgage transaction. Using our pre-qual form on the pre-qual tab, they're able to leverage our pre-wired to our API short form, being able to customize the user experience and the user interface in order to bring in information and then move that consumer directly into a long-form application, but then also fire that information upstream into leading CRM and lead management solutions so that they can be worked through the funnel. And this solution is available to be put out in multiple points of presence on the internet. And finally, the loan comparison tool here, which is leveraging our decision builder solution, again, pre-wired into our API, allowing a consumer to effectively price different products offered by the bank, leveraging our hooks into the product and pricing eligibility engine of Main Street Bank. This solution is used by a number of our depository customers to create a different branch experience. Consumers walking into the branch that do not want to engage directly with a loan officer or with any other lending personnel can move straight to a tablet and effectively engage with the bank, not just with mortgage, but potentially with other lines of business to understand the different products on offer across the bank. And so, finally, we'll move to the desktop experience. What's great about a lot of our solutions that we're showing here with Main Street Bank is it's leveraging their existing digital presence, but our solution allows our customers to acquire consumers outside of their own digital presence. And one of the ways they do so is through our relationships with lead generators. One example is LendingTree. We announced at the end of last year our partnership with LendingTree that allows our shared customers to offer to consumers on LendingTree a true shop and buy experience. Consumers that are online, that are, so we can switch to the desktop here. Oh, perfect. Consumers that are online and are able to leverage the LendingTree experience can see our customers offer and move into an apply online experience, taking information from the LendingTree short form, moving them into a co-branded experience where they can pre-populate all of the information in the mortgage application. Consumers love this. They're able to avoid getting hassled with the incoming emails and phone calls that invariably come if they are asking just to be contacted. And lenders love the ability to be able to effectively pre-approve a consumer within a day or so without having actual contact with a loan officer or any lending personnel. So, this is all exciting, but what we want to show now is how our customers are doing this. We're going to take a look a little bit under the hood. Travis is going to show how our customers are able to spin up very quickly targeted campaigns to different consumers using Roostify. And they do so using our patent-pending dynamic account hierarchy. Customers are able to spin up very quickly a child account that inherits the settings and the styles of the parent, or they can have their own. They can talk to different points of integration as well. And in this case, Main Street Bank is going to highlight its affiliation with the local baseball affiliate, the Golden Triangle Sluggers. And they're setting up right now a domain.com/sluggers. And this domain is now live, and Travis is going to be able to configure the styles of that marketing campaign, the different points of the different fields of information to be taken in, and other aspects of the user experience. So once this is live, we're now going to switch to the tablet experience, and Travis, the consumer, is at the game. He's at the Golden Triangle Sluggers game, and he is sitting in the stands during the 7th inning. And in the 7th inning stretch, he sees the call to action on the green screen behind home plate, or even in the digital billboard in left field. And he executes on that call to action, is then moved into the co-branded experience between Mainstream Bank and the Sluggers. And while Travis is singing "Take Me Out to the Ball Game," he is able to get fully pre-approved through our solution and really emphasize the relationship between the Golden Triangle Sluggers and Mainstream Bank. This is happening today across our customers. And while this is exciting, what's as exciting for our customers is what they're able to do with this sort of experiences as they roll out. So if we switch back now to the desktop, Travis is going to show us the other side of the coin with respect to analytics. Our customers are able to leverage that information to look at the performance of different referral sources, to be able to see how leads perform, where they go in the funnel, and how it can be optimized. And they're able to very quickly tweak these different campaigns and optimize the experience so that they can help the consumers either convert more quickly, convert at higher fidelity, or just provide a better experience altogether. So what does this mean for our customers? One of the things is that they're able to now move into new channels that they never even conceived of as a result of these capabilities. They're able to digitize existing channels as they never conceived of before, and they're able to get to market more quickly with these campaigns and manage them much more intelligently than they ever have. But probably most importantly, they're able to offer their customers the experience that they expect and deserve, and they're able to do so through Roostify, the intelligent lending platform. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you at our booth.